So for the second method, elimination method. Okay, like the name implies, we are trying to see how we can eliminate one of these variables in the first instance and use that information to be able to get the value for the other variable that will remain. And now we use a sort of backward substitution or a sort of re-elimination again to get the value for the second variable. So, to do that, we need to, first of all, choose the variable that we want to eliminate first. For instance, we want to eliminate x first. We will make sure that the coefficient of x in equation 1 and equation 2 are the same. That means what is attached to x here and what is attached to x here must be the same. Because we need to do that to be able to operate it, maybe using addition or subtraction, and make sure that it x leaves the system equation first, and leaving y, and you also be able to get the values of y. If you want to eliminate y first, you also need to make the coefficient of y here and y here to be the same. And since we want to eliminate the x first, let's start with that. So we will write this equation as 2x plus y equals 4 and 3x plus 3y equals 9. Let's say call that, let's call this equation still equation 1, this equation still equation 2. The only point here, the only difference in the rewritten equation 2 to make sure that our x's and our y's are aligning. Okay, since we are interested in eliminating x first, we say equation 1 times 3. And we'll say equation 2 times 2. Because the only time we'll be able to let the value of the coefficient of x in equation 1 to be the same as the coefficient of x in equation 2 is by multiplying the entire equation 1 by the coefficient of x in equation 2 and multiplying the entire equation 2 by the coefficient of x in equation 1. So that's what we have, equation 1 times 3, which is the coefficient of x in equation 2, and equation 2 times 2, which is the coefficient of x in equation 1. So for the first one here we have 6x plus 3y equals to 12. Call that equation 3. Then we have this to be 6x plus 6y equals to 18. Call that equation 4. At that point, we can now see that the coefficient of x in equation 3, the coefficient of x in equation 4 are the same. We can now subtract them so that we can eliminate the x. We say now subtracting 3 from 4, comma, we have this. We have 6x minus 6x, subtract 10 by 10 plus 3, 6y minus 3y. Need to clean this so we can have some space. Solution here. Then equals to 18 minus 12. So we subtract 10 by 10. We subtract equation 3 from 4. That is equation 4 minus 3 will give us this. So 6x minus 6x is 0. That means x is eliminated. Plus 6y minus 3y is 3y. 18 minus 12 is 6. So 3y equals 6, which implies that y equals 6 over 3, which is 2. Okay? Then we've been able to eliminate x from the equation to have a value for y which is equals to 2. At this point, if you are now solving the exams, you don't need to go back and eliminate y to have a value for x. You can now substitute the value of y, which is 2, in any equation 1 or 2 to have the value for x. So that means that elimination still has to do with substitution, okay? But you may also choose, if you have that time, you may also choose to go back to the first two equations now and eliminate y to see what the value of x will be. So I want to throw that part. Also want to eliminate y from the equation so that we can have the value for x. So to eliminate y, we proceed as follows. So we say equation, we rewrite the equation out again. 2x plus y equals to 4, we call the equation 1. We have 3x plus 3y equals to 9. Call the equation 2 again. So now we are interested in eliminating y. Okay? Previously we eliminated x. So we say equation 1 times 3, which is the coefficient of y in equation 2. And we say equation 2 times 1, which is the coefficient of y in equation 1. So this will give us 6x plus 3y equals 12. We call that equation 3. Then we have here 3x plus 3y equals 9. Have this equation 4. Okay? So we now say subtract equation 3 from 4. Equation 4 minus equation 3. We have 6x minus 3x plus 3y minus 3y equals 12 minus 9. And this will give us 3x, and this will be 0, equals to 3. So we have 3x equals 3, which implies that x equals 3 over 3, which is 1. So here x is 1 and y is 2. The same thing we had before here, x will be 1 and y to be 2. So using the two methods, we've been able to solve for the values of x and y respectively, and the result to 1 and 2 respectively. So whether you use the elimination method or you use the substitution method in solving systems of two equations to get the value for the unknown variables x and y, the result will still be the same. I'm so happy you've watched till this point. I'm sure you've learned one or two things. Please, I implore you to share this video, like it, and subscribe to our channel for more content. Please make sure children, people who are in lower class, or people who are interested in mathematics have this content. Thank you very much. We appreciate it. Thank you.